Oh yeah, looking good. Peanut dipping sauce. Oh yeah.
Search for part 1 on this channel. Oh yeah.
Okay, with this marinade, we want all these flavors to come together. So we're gonna require some water. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3 ounces of water in there to let the marinade come together. One more secret ingredient. The sponsor has got this wasabi powder from Japan on sale. I think it's only like $2 a jar. It's like really cheap. I think it's the lowest price on the internet. So, wow, it's looking really good. I'm gonna put in about a half a teaspoon of wasabi powder. This looks so good, I think I want to taste. For the chicken, I've selected a boning knife. I want to get the tip of it nice and sharp. Okay. Here's the chicken breasts I'm going to be using today. I'll put them right in this pan. I'm using this stainless steel pan to marinate. So what do we got here? 1, 2, 3. 3 or 4 I'm going to start with. Okay, the first step is to remove any silver skin and blood from the chicken breasts. That right there is now a clean chicken breast, looking good. Ah, the clean chicken breasts, looking really good. Next step, we're going to pound them out. Okay, chef is into recycling, therefore I'm using a recycled plastic bag. Okay, I've opened up the chicken breast. It's going in the bag like this. I'm using a meat mallet. Oh yeah, the flat side is good. Oh yeah, I would estimate I'm at about a 1/4 of an inch. Looking really good. The chicken? Ah, I'm still recycling. The plastic bag. It goes into your recycle bin now. They'll melt it down and make more plastic out of it. Okay, my skewers are nice and wet. Just what I wanted. So we're going to put one right here. And we're going to put the chicken breast down right on the cutting board. Fun fact, chef is teaching you as we go here. Maple kills germs. You can cut chicken on this cutting board, wipe it off with a clean towel, and there's no bacteria in about 60 minutes. Amazing. Okay, we're looking for nice long strips. However, we can move them on the skewer. They don't need to be that even. I like them to be about like this. Okay? That's the strip I'm looking for right there. Oh yeah. The marinade. Place half of your marinade in the stainless steel pan. Just like this. Select a skewer. Place your chicken on the skewer. Give it a twist and go back and forth. Just like this. Back and forth. My finished chicken skewers. Okay, I place each one in the marinade like this. Flip them over. And this is going to get covered and refrigerated for at least a few hours. The rest of the marinade goes over the top, just like this. You would be very wise to subscribe to the channel right down here. Chef's teaching you valuable skills, and there's so much more to learn. Don't forget, like the sponsor, I'll be back. Oh, behind the scenes, I sauteed up a little bit of that marinated chicken with a quick peanut sauce. Oh yeah, the marinated chicken after 24 hours. Oh, looks really, really good. Oh yeah, looking good. The finished chicken satay skewers, a little bit of peanut dipping sauce. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. After I'm done prepping the food, I wipe the cutting board off with a damp towel, paper towel, disposable, and finish with a dry kitchen towel. Kills germs naturally. Wow. That's the best cutting surface you could own right there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah. Visit your sponsors.
So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow.
These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block. As seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale, and wow, it's the best. Score the mystery oil, made in America. I like it. And the board cream, made in America. I like it. NSF certified, food safe, the ideal product for wood countertops, cutting boards, islands, wood culinary utensils, as well as all butcher block and related items. Most importantly, use it regularly. I like to use them once a month. Thanks for watching. Get cooking, smash that like button, subscribe right there, and have a great day. Oh, it's gonna be good.
The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Get the chef's cut-proof glove. Save your fingers. No more cuts. Chef tested, chef proven. Follow the link. Get cooking today. The blocks preferred by chefs. On sale with free shipping.